Isha, what is a primal Zerg doing on my Leviathan?
I am Dehaka, one who collects. I kill. I take essence. Now I come to you because I feel your change. All Zerus feels it. All Zerus fears it. And you.
But you don't fear me, do you, Dehaka?
You shine. You will bring more essence, and I will follow. When you do not, I will not.
Well, I've forged alliances on shakier ground than that. Very well, you can stay. Betray me and I'll collect your essence.
Yes.
Do you think the remaining pack leaders will join me now?
They are a rock, a tree, a hill. They will stand against the wind. They seek power.
And you?
I am a river. I will flow. I seek essence.
Well, the pack leaders have no chance against the swarm now.
They gather essence for thousands of years. They are blinded, but they are not foolish.
I look like the leader of the swarm now. Perhaps this will help bring more brood mothers back into the fold.
You were the true leader of the swarm yesterday, and you will be tomorrow. Your appearance does not matter.
Perhaps not to you. The Terrans will not be so understanding.
You have been reborn. A primal pack leader of boundless power.
I feel as if I can rip worlds apart.
And are you the equal of Amon, who once controlled you?
He never controlled me. I felt an influence. A trace of something dark but long gone. Amon must have died before I was infested.
I hope it is so, for he truly could rip worlds apart.
You radiate so much power, more than the old Queen of Blades ever did.
Everything is different. I could always hear the swarm, control it. But now, I feel the swarm. Now I am the swarm.
Genetic strands different. Restructured from base level up. Stronger than Queen of Blades. Sequences complex but clean. Completely different at core.
Yes, I am different. I am my own master. When the Zelnaga artifact made me human again, it cleansed me of Amon's influence. And that allowed me to become something greater.
Must take sample. Study new sequences.
Don't even try, Abathur. What I am now is beyond your comprehension.
Difficult to admit. New structure beyond understanding. Will return to work. It is time. Confront the remaining pack leaders. Take what is theirs. Embrace the destiny of all Zerg.
Yagdra, a worm whose acid burns like fire. Kraith, immense and consumed by hatred. Slivan, the eternal mother, hollow and destructive. Kill them, and you will command the whole of the Zerg. Each has sent most of its pack against your swarm, leaving themselves vulnerable.
Zagara, defend the Leviathan. I will deal with the pack leaders myself. Your queen listens. Boldly. No time like the present.
My queen, new form, powerful, can leap through air, strike. New offensive ability, psionic shift. Dash quickly, destroy creatures within path.
Make your peace.
This relic, Zelnaga.
Primal roaches help. They fight Yagdra's brood.
No time like the present. I am the swarm.
New form can twist essence, mend wounds, heal nearby Zerg and self.
We are without limit. We adapt. The swarm conquers all.
Not enough energy.
Make your peace. This world is mine. Speak. Boldly. No time like the present. I am the swarm. Our conquest, yes. We are without limit. Retribution. What is it this time? The swarm conquers all. No time like the present. We adapt. Make your peace. We adapt. It is time. Your queen. Yes. This world is mine. Boldly.
Not enough energy.
This world.
More roaches.
Speak. Our conquest, retribution will be mine.
Leader of the Broken Pack, no!
Is that fear, Yagdra? You do know you never had a chance, right?
Your change means nothing! I will melt the flesh from your bones!
The swarm conquered.
Die, weakling!
I am the swarm. Make your peace. It's laying eggs. Destroy them. Yes. Boldly. Without limit. Our conquest continues. This world is mine. Boldly. No time like the present. We are without limit. The swarm conquers all.
Stay still!
I am the swarm. Make your peace. We adapt. Make your peace. Our conquest continues. This world is mine. Boldly.
More of my pack. primal hydralisks.
I am the swarm. Quickly, destroy the eggs before they hatch. Focus on the largest ones first. Swarm conquers all. I am the swarm. No time like the present. Make your peace. Your queen listens. Speak. We adapt. This world is mine. You're in. It is time. Make squeak. Boldly. Our conquest continues. The swarm conquers all. We are without limit. No time. Yes. I am the swarm. We adapt. This world is mine. Make your peace. The swarm conquers all. Boldly. This world is mine. What is it that speak? Our conquest continues. I am the swarm. No time like the present. We adapt. We are without limit. Make your peace. We are without limit. Boldly. The swarm conquers. Minsk will suffer. Your queen listens. No time like the present. The swarm conquers all. We adapt. I am the swarm. This world is enough energy. Yes. Our conquest continues. Speak. Retribution will be mine. What is it this time? Minsk will suffer. Boldly. I am the swarm. This world is mine. No time like the present. The swarm.
My pack is ready to fight.
We adapt.
I feel your strength. You will be worth killing. Worth the blood. 1,000 cuts shred the flesh.
Make your peace. Our conquest continues.
Kraith comes for you.
The swarm conquers all. I am the swarm. No time like the present. This world is mine. Conquest continues. We attack.
Kraith comes for you.
I am the swarm. Not enough energy. Make your peace. Not enough energy. Our conquest continues. The swarm conquers all. This world is mine.
My pack arrives. They will break your enemies.
We are without limit. No time like the present. We adapt.
These ones explode when they sense you.
No time like the present. We adapt. Make your peace. This world is mine. Yes. Our conquest continues. Retribution will be mine. What is it this time? It is time.
Bravasaur fights with acid. Bring it down quickly.
No time like the present. We adapt. Make your peace. Boldly. We are without limit. This world is mine. Our retribution will be mine. I am the swarm. Our conquest continues. The swarm conquers all. What is it this time? Your queen is under attack. Yes. No time like the present. It is time. Make your peace. Speak. We adapt. Boldly. Make your peace. Your queen listens. This world's Minsk will suffer. We are without limit. Retribution will be mine. Our conquest continues. The swarm conquers all. I am the swarm. What is it this time? No time like the present. We adapt. This world is mine. The swarm conquers all. Boldly. Make your peace. Yes. We are without limit. I am the swarm. Minsk will suffer. Our conquest continues. Feel the wrath of the swarm. No time like the present. This world is mine. The swarm conquers all. We adapt.
Not enough energy.
Our conquest continues. Boldly. I am the swarm. No time. Speak. Make your peace. We are without limit. What is it this time? Your queen listens. The swarm.
More of my pack joins you.
Minsk will suffer. We are without limit.
Our forces are under attack.
We adapt.
Welcome to your demise.
Boldly. Our conquest continues.
And ground betrays you.
The swarm conquers all.
Grow, children. Grow.
Death is mine. Boldly. Adapt. Make your peace. I am the swarm. Our conquest continues. We are without limit. No time like the present. The swarm conquers.
Grow, children.
Adapt. Make your peace.
It is time.
Zurvan.
The pack leaders are slain. Their packs join your swarm. And here you stand, complete. You are Zerg. Your essence overflows with power. I thirst. You will feed my evolution, the first in millennia.
I wondered when you would make your move.
No allegiance but to self. Kill or be killed. You know this.
Of course.
One will be consumed and become something greater than either. This is the heritage of the Zerg.
What is it this time?
Fight, Kerrigan.
Make you
Only the strongest survive.
force is mine. Make
Consume and evolve. This is the only way.
the swarm conquers all.
This is the destiny of all primal Zerg.
Make your peace. Boldly.
There is no escaping fate.
The swarm conquers all. Zerus is mine. Isha, prepare the Leviathan. It's time the swarm returned to the Kapulu sector.